Good morning, everybody. Urdhva Management is hosting an exclusive event, the E-Commerce Expo 2023, a distinguished event focused on recycling, refurbishing, and repair. The expo is scheduled to be held from August 9 to 11 at Gayatri Vihar, Palace Ground, Bangalore. I am delighted to extend an invitation to all of you at this exclusive gathering, which aims to provide a platform for companies, organizations, and individuals to showcase their cutting-edge practices, sustainable technologies, and groundbreaking products. India, with its vast potential, has the opportunity to become a global leader in recycling and the circular economy. With a large population and a thriving industrial sector, we generate a substantial amount of waste that can be transformed into valuable resources through efficient recycling and refurbishment processes. The industry holds immense promise, and to unlock opportunities for growth, it is crucial that we embrace new innovations and technologies. Our efforts towards electronics repair services outsourcing and the launch of the right to repair portals are as vital stepping stones towards achieving this goal. However, we understand that progress cannot be achieved solely through industry initiatives. Education and awareness play a vital role in promoting circular economy principles among individuals, communities. By fostering a deeper understanding and encouraging active participation, we can collectively work towards a more sustainable future. We look forward to your presence at E-Commerce Expo 2023, where we can collectively explore, learn, and collaborate towards a greener, more efficient world. Thank you.